In this video, we're going to learn how to do an advanced search and restrict articles to only peer-reviewed articles. Those are journals that have been reviewed by people within their professions, and it is something that a lot of professors like you to do. So I'm going to stick my Antietam Battle into the one search. I'm going to hit enter. Now when it comes up, you will see that all of my results are here, but there's 17,364. But if I scroll down on the bar to the left, you'll notice that there is right here peer-reviewed journals. So if I click next to it and then I hit apply filters, I now have 1,439 results. So I've limited my search to peer-reviewed, and now I am able to obtain my peer-reviewed articles for my project.